ladies and gentlemen, we back with another video.
I'm Sophia.
The Kellz Squad Reaction Channel. We back with another reaction video. We gonna be reacting to Lex
and Jack.
Yo, they another YouTuber that we rock with. They funny.
I just found out about them like last 2 months ago.
We discovered them 2 months ago. She discovered them first and she brought. I was like, oh, they funny. Yo.
They did that little ghost trick in the bathroom.
Oh yeah,
that
Lex did a ghost trick
funny.
on Jack. That was too funny. So the video we about to react to is what?
She found another girl's mask in the car.
A mask though, like a mask though. I know, like a condom or some panties.
Yeah.
But now since we got this COVID-19, a
the
mask. That's
yeah.
funny as hell.
Hilarious, yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna get into this video.
That's your mask, bro. It's not for it's for you. That's your mask, man. You know that's your mask.
Stop lying! I like
Yo, Lex don't
wild.
play, yo. Lex like a little tiny little thing, but those be the ones you gotta be scared of. Yo, I like that new opening, yo.
It's okay.
For Halloween, I like this opening.
Yeah, it's very creative. She tripped over a rock, yeah.
She got the J's.
J's on my feet.
How she get out the car though? Like,
And the babies crying. They funny. She said stop the car. Damn.
Lex gangster.
I know, right? He's still in the car.
Then Jack come say today.
Damn.
That's what I'm saying.
Hurry up.
Come on, we gotta go.
We gotta talk about it.
Yo. AJ gang.
AJ gang.
That opening funny as hell.
Fire.
What's poppin', AJ gang? The fuck texting me?
Damn.
It's your boy Jack, and I'm back with another. Man, listen, y'all. Today is gonna go up. Now, look, y'all. I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and get this video get this video to 20K likes, bro, because I be really getting my ass whooped for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all like Lex reactions, but y'all still gotta take into consideration that I'm putting myself in harm's way every time I drop a banger for y'all. So make sure y'all spamming that like button, man, in the comments and showing y'all appreciation.
Now I'm saying hit that like button.
Oh yeah.
For Team Jack, bro. Now look, I got a banger for y'all on the way. I know y'all obviously read the title and y'all saw the thumbnail, but look, bro, this about to go crazy. I went to the beauty supply, bro. I got a whole mask, bro.
Don't you take tag off.
Mask, you feel me? This is crossing the line, but let me take this little $3.99 tag off there for y'all real quick. Hold on. Now it's nothing worse than a female. Panties is bad, don't get me wrong, but they mask, my nigga. Y'all that messed up.
That's what I said. It used to be like the panties, now masked up.
Like you let that COVID in here.
I know, you let a little chicken here and she left her mask.
Oh my God.
I mean, that chick is nasty.
My sister dropped me off a bottle of her perfume, so you know what I'm about to go ahead and do, y'all.
Oh. No, it's
We gonna get it smelling good in this thing before we get to anything. You feel me? Let's go. Oh, this should smell good. I gotta buy this stuff for real. Buy a job, but look,
He's
bro.
stupid. I like his energy, though.
Yeah.
Look, get her nails done right now, you guys. So that's why I had time to go get all this stuff ready. You know what I'm saying? When she get back in the car, she gonna smell the perfume. That's a real.
Take forever to get your nails
I'm gonna actually put the mask in here. This video finna be crazy, y'all. Lex gonna have a lot of questions for him. So before we get to the video, y'all already know what it is, man. Go ahead and subscribe. If you have not joined the AJ gang, smash that subscribe button, bro. Go ahead and like this video, turn on your post notifications so you'll never miss a video. And without further delay, let's get it. Let's gang.
Let's get it, let's gang.
So look, I'm about to go pick Lex up from the nail shop right now, y'all. So I don't really know. Hold on. I don't really know where to put this mask at. Like, where could I put it?
So she can see
You know what
it.
I'm saying?
in the thing.
Yeah, he can do that.
In the little bolt. You know you see
Put it in
it.
the glove department.
Yeah.
I'll put a key in the glove department. Yeah.
Everybody put it there.
So She gotta get it out at some point. Oh, okay.
What's he doing?
All right,
You got
y'all.
stuck for a second.
About to pull up right now, y'all. Man, this shit finna go crazy, man. I need Team Jack in the comments, man. Team Jack in the comments. Stop playing with me. And that noise is getting annoying, so I'm gonna go ahead and buckle up. Yeah, somebody go ahead and tell them to come outside.
Who come with the bangs, Lex and Jack?
You know,
It's even, right?
to me it's 50-50 because they
Yeah.
both come with bangers back to back.
Back to
like,
back.
I'm gonna spray some more of this perfume because I feel like the smell wore off from the intro, so I'm gonna have to spray some more. You feel me?
Hello?
Babe, are you ready?
Yeah, baby.
Alright, I'm like right here. Can you pull outside?
Yeah, I'm standing outside already.
Alright.
Okay. Wait,
Man.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
She always say
Let's get
that.
something to eat.
Why she funny?
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, come. Oh, I see you.
Babe, tell me why, this lady messed my nail up.
I felt like something was coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, she messed it up. But she fixed it.
Okay. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, she right here. Here we
She
go.
made.
Here we go.
But she fixed it though, right?
Yeah.
Hey, babe,
Hey!
you open my door, babe?
Let me see. What she mess up? I mean, why you get them the same color as your pants?
I don't know. I like this color though. But she messed my nail up, babe. She had put it on crooked.
So you have to get it redone?
Yeah, so she had to
Where
take it
Allie
off.
at?
She went to her car.
Uh,
But she had she took it all back and put it on right. Cause I told her I ain't paying for that.
so we're going to get
I know that's right.
That's right.
I don't know, babe. Just anything.
Chick-fil-A.
Alright. Nah, they look good though, babe. I thought you was gonna get like a, what's this called? The coffin
You gonna go to
tray?
McDonald's,
Oh,
Whataburger.
Nah, I'm still gonna get short for now.
So you can handle the baby.
Oh.
Scratch my
With care.
voice.
You want the hearts? Or nah?
Yeah, babe, you want to?
You can.
You gonna call him in?
Why we gotta call him in? Go ahead and get it.
Let's get the hell of it.
You want the drive-thru?
Ain't no drive through for my pizza.
No, I said somewhere with the drive-thru.
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
I don't know.
I had a long day, babe.
They little theme song for
Why
me.
I take y'all so long to get your nails done in the first place, though? Like, Jesus Christ.
Cause, babe, I have to get my little feet.
If it took that long to get my haircut, you'll be bugging me. Where you at? What
Babe,
you doing?
it do take you that long. Cause
Mhm.
where you go, you drive an hour.
It don't never take me no 2 hours to get my haircut, baby.
Babe, you drive an hour and you gotta get the haircut.
Yeah, an hour to
and
get
you
his
gotta
haircut?
drive back. So you be gone a long time. While you trying to talk it that stuff. Hey, can you clean this car out?
I cleaned it yesterday. I wasn't clean the inside, but you know, it started raining and shit. So I wasn't too much worried about it no more. Yeah, then it
What
rained.
you was doing? You so tired, yawning and stuff. You didn't get a nap?
I just been moving around again. Hey, I know we can go get some to eat from that place, that Tim shows.
Oh yes, baby.
That's how we ain't go to the place in a long time.
Like,
You know?
He's right.
Yeah, babe. What did I have?
Some bougie. I'm making me a salad.
Yeah, I don't
man.
want them shrimp. Do not give me that, please, babe. Oh yeah, give me that, babe.
The salad?
Yeah, I want two.
2 salads?
No, babe, I want the fries you had in the salad.
Okay.
Cause I'm gonna eat that salad for my snack.
I mean, where your wallet in the glove department, I think.
It is.
Yeah. But I last saw that, at least.
what's that appetite?
Your wallet, what?
Yeah, I got my wallet. Right there.
What you looking at? Put your mask on.
You funny for that, yo.
Yeah, he funny as hell. He said, "Well, push your mask on." That's not damn well. That's not her mask.
Oh my
He played it all smooth as hell
That's
too.
funny as hell.
Put your mask on.
Now she made.
Man, put that mask on and stop playing.
I'm not gonna put this on and it's been on somebody's lips.
That's a brand new mask, babe. That is not.
You bought it?
No, I ain't bought it. I thought you bought that. That been in your glove department. It been in there, babe.
No, it haven't.
You should put the lipstick thing in.
Yeah, who mask
I know
is
the
that?
sign,
Yeah,
right?
mask.
No,
Yeah,
no.
been in that glove
Just leave me
department.
alone because I'm about to get pissed off.
What you getting pissed off for?
Because it's not mine. And I know it's not yours because it has pink bedazzles on it. So who is it for?
Man, that's your mask.
Who is it for?
Why you always think,
Who is it for?
bro? That's your mask, bro.
Who is it for?
It's not for. It's for you. That's who's it for.
So you bought it for me.
I didn't buy
You
that
funny
for
as
you.
hell
That's
with
What's
this
the only way
mask.
that it could be?
This is your card. It's in your glove department.
I didn't put it there, obviously.
You don't be knowing where you put stuff. You always misplace
No,
stuff.
don't try to make me act like I'm delusional and I'll forget stuff. Because that ain't
It's
true.
a brand new mask. Smell it.
No. Put that down.
It's brand new.
It could have corona or anything. Put it down.
Bro, it's brand new. Smell the mask.
No, stop.
Oh my god.
smell
You
the
told her to
mask.
smell it.
You obviously. Where you been? Where you been?
You tired?
That's what she's like. That's why you
Yeah,
knowing
what
this
type of
shit.
earrings?
I went to pay
Further than
your
that.
car note today. I went to go get some string. I went to go find a ladder for that balloon that's stuck in the fan. What do you mean? I did a lot of productive stuff today.
You said balloon.
So I don't even
And who
try
was
to
you
say.
with?
I was by myself.
You
So
wasn't by
what?
yourself. You wasn't by yourself.
I wasn't by
So
myself.
for it to be a mask in here.
Oh god, that like some panties.
So where you get it from?
I'm not doing that.
Just be honest.
I did not get. I didn't have that mask.
It even smelled like a girl.
Man, you hallucinating, man.
Come on, I don't feel like playing. I've been having a good
Why do I always
day.
think somebody?
No.
And she had a good day.
No,
And her nails got messed up.
it smelled like a girl. And you talking about it's new. Where did you get it from?
You sure already do some. It don't smell like breath. So that means I'm bored.
I'm about to get
Maybe,
it.
when they bought it, you know how they put the thing in there? They might put the scent in there so it's like, it's bedazzled, it's pretty, so they want it to smell good. How's it? That's your mask, baby. You know that's your mask.
Stop lying!
Oh, Lex had enough. She like, stop lying, y'all.
Lying! Stop lying!
Yo, you really have to put that on replay like that.
Yeah.
Going crazy.
Because you're lying!
How am I lying?
You lied through your teeth! Who is it for? Tell the truth, you don't have to lie.
Why are you tripping about a mask?
Because it's for a girl. That means you had a girl in my car.
I did not have a
No,
girl
that's
in your
not
car.
gonna fly with me.
I did not have a girl in your car, babe. I would never bring a girl in this car.
Where did the mask come from? No girls have been in my car. Allie drove up here by herself.
It's probably Ellie mask. It's probably nothing
Are you
else.
listening to the things that I'm saying? How's it Allie mask if you took the car?
She be in here with you, so she probably left her mask. You ever saw her with this?
No.
It's live, though. It's not my mask, though. I swear to God, it's not my mask.
He be having a serious thing.
I know, right?
So you mean to
Don't
tell
crack
me
a smile,
that
nothing.
a girl mask with
He
perfume
believe
on
in his
it
lies.
ended up in my car and nobody know why?
Why do you always blame me?
Because you had
Why
the car
can't-
today.
Why can't you
You had the car
So
today.
that mask wasn't in here yesterday.
You had the car
Was
today.
that mask in here yesterday?
No.
Did you check? Be honest, be
Yes.
honest. So you looked in your glove department
Yes.
yesterday? No, you didn't.
Yes, because my papers and mail are in here and I put it in here yesterday.
not looking at your
Look at all this mail. I put it in here yesterday because I didn't want it out in my car. It's making my car look junky. So don't try to lie. Don't try to lie. So who
When
was
did
it
you
for?
look in your mailbox yesterday for that?
I didn't look for it. I put my mail in here and no mask was to be found.
The pants to the
Now I
left to
know
the
you
right.
did something because you're sitting there looking dumb. Dumb.
Well, why would you scratch my face?
I don't care nothing about scratching you. Go give me my food.
Dang.
No,
Yes, go give me my food.
that's not. All right, bro. That's my partner, man. But I ain't want to tell you that was my partner because.
No.
My partner,
You're a
man.
liar. You're a liar. Right out back.
If I tell you it's my partner, you're gonna be like, oh, why you
No,
have
you
her in
making
here?
shit up. You making shit up. Because if it was a partner and you had nothing to hide, you would have told me that. I know you.
Because look how you acting. Why would I?
What type of partner?
You know,
Female, male, what?
It's a female, obviously. We just cool.
Okay, so
I'm gonna
have a problem with that because I don't know her. Who is it?
She played basketball. She always goes to the court. She raw too. You should play one-on-one against her for a video or something.
He's stupid.
One-on-one your ass.
Why?
That's not funny. Because you're lying.
I'm not lying.
And that's not what we should
look,
start doing.
Look, this is what happened.
That's not what we should
This is what
start
happened. This is what happened.
Like,
She wasn't even in the car though. Let me tell you what happened. I pulled up to her house to drop off her basketball because she actually left out at the court. And then for some reason why she was like, here, get this mask and put it in your glove department because maybe Lex will like it and then you can go buy her one.
you gonna buy her one? That's the dumbest shit
That's
ever.
dumb.
You sound stupid. Shut up and give me
You
my
sound
phone
real dumb.
and take me home. Because I'm over it. I don't want to be with you no more. You're going to sit here and keep lying.
If you don't want to be with me, then you ain't get nothing to eat.
I don't care. Go home so you can get out my shit.
It's okay.
No, I don't care.
Well,
I don't care anyway.
I'll go home. I'm not doing no tripping.
All right.
I don't want none of that food. Buy food.
I'm about to mess you up in this
Because you the
house.
one that's hungry.
We about to mess this whole house
She
up.
said the
I'm
house.
always trying to fix it.
Says she about to mess the whole house.
She about to get down and
She about to
dirty.
destroy everything, take all his clothes.
Mhm. She can't wait to get home.
I'm finna mess this whole house up. What they looking at?
What you talking about? I don't think nobody heard of it.
She get fresh.
Yo, Lex be funny as hell, yo.
Oh my god. Hold on, babe. You almost hit the
Get
light.
somebody hit somebody before. Come on.
Stop hitting me, bro. I'm driving.
I don't
Trying to
care.
get home
What
safe.
they
I don't
looking
care
at?
about you driving.
You can't even accept the fact that I
don't care.
Friends,
Cause
yeah.
you're lying. You're
No,
lying.
I'm not
What
lying.
girl? What's her name?
Why do I gotta lie about a mask?
What's her name?
Why would I gotta lie?
Go!
No.
Damn.
Yes,
I'm
go!
gonna run no light.
It was yellow, stupid.
Why
Dang.
would I lie about a mask? Stop calling me stupid. You stupid.
You stupid for cheating.
You know what I
Cause
mean?
now you gonna go find a scallywag that's gonna cheat on you.
Put my mask on. Yeah, that's why I got it on now.
I don't care.
She knows she see you.
All you need to launch a
What they
culinary
looking at?
empire. A square.
Yeah, we sharing germs, and I'm gonna kiss you when we get to the
No,
house.
you're not.
Yes, I am.
I'm gonna put you dead in your
I'm
mouth.
gonna give you whatever my partner had in his mask.
Yep. Yeah, partner. Partner my ass.
You know the funniest thing about all this shit?
Ooh, I can't wait to get up in this house. Cause I'm not about to do this up in my car. I'm not about to do it.
What you about to do?
I'm about to
You about
let you up.
Lay
You
down.
about to tear the house up.
Yes, I am. You know why? Cause I'm not about to hit you up in my car.
Bring it to the house.
And I'm not finna mess my
How
car
much you wanna
up.
bet you don't mess me
So
up?
when we get
How
out,
much you wanna bet you don't mess me up?
when we get out, you just get
How much?
ready.
How much you wanna
You
bet?
just get ready.
How much you wanna bet?
You just get ready.
Why you always gotta resort to violence? Talk
No,
about it.
I don't want to talk about it.
Christ.
It shouldn't be nothing to
Said
talk
just
about.
cry.
Talk about it.
You said it's cry.
Yeah.
Because it's just a prank. I brought this man up to beautiful boy.
They got fast on her.
A few minutes ago, actually.
You stupid.
And the camera's on. You can't tell because I turned her dot off. It's a brand new ass mask, but I actually can't find the wrapper that I had to it, but it's brand new. And actually, the smell you smell, your best friend gave me some perfume to spray on it. Which is why I smell like a girl. So, what I need you to do for me now is look at that little camera and say, Team Jack in the comments, stop making some bees hurt. You do too much. Damn. You do so much. If y'all enjoyed that video, y'all already know, comment Team Jack in the comments because I actually got her again and I'm actually dropped another banger, man. If you have not joined the AJ gang, please smash the subscribe button because we're on our way to 400K now, babe. I usually got break together to say to AJ gang. Even though you're salty right now.
I don't care anyway because I pranked you yesterday.
Okay, well, until next time. You said that part with me at least.
Let's get it. Let's game.
I got you.
That's funny.
Yo, he got her good as hell with that. She was mad as hell. She's like, what you looking at? Like, I'm like, who's she talking to? She was mad as hell.
For
But
real.
that's crazy. People really getting upset about the mask.
Yeah.
They really putting out the mask prank. That is
That's
funny.
hilarious. Yeah.
I understand, like
She
found
said-
somebody else's panties,
For
somebody
real.
else's shirt.
Yeah, they did those too, the fanny one.
Oh, now they doing a mask.
Yeah. She said, I can't wait to get to the house.
She,
Yeah.
what she think she was gonna do to the house?
Man, she gonna beat his ass.
Oh, Jack would have had black,
Black
black eye, busted lip.
She like, how you missed that yellow light?
Yo, Lex be funny as hell when she get mad.
Yeah, I like when she get mad. She funny.
I wonder what her sign is. Comment down below, y'all know Lex sign, cause
I'm just looking up Leah. Yeah.
Jack better stop playing with her, bro.
And he be doing it so calmly.
Yeah.
His face don't change nothing.
Like, he don't laugh or nothing. He don't do a smirk. Like, he just so good at it. Like, he just a good actor.
Yeah.
Like, some people, when they doing a prank, they be like laughing a little bit. Cause
That'd be funny.
It'd be funny as hell. Cause you know, that, like, especially when she got real mad, I would have smirked a little bit. Like, oh my man. Yo, he did a good job.
Man.
Yo, comment down below. Y'all want us to react to more Lex and Jack. Just comment down below. Let us know.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Let's end this reaction. I'm Kellz.
I'm Sophia.
We the Kellz Squad Reaction Channel, baby. You're new to the channel. Don't be afraid to subscribe. Also, what?
Hit that notification bell.
Ding. So every time we drop a new video, you will know. Alright, guys. We out. Stay safe out there, Legion. Stay safe.